At just 20 years of age, the Dodgers' Julio Urias is showcasing baseball's most lethal pickoff move, something he demonstrated once again in Game 5. Matt Waymeyer, alongside Jeff Nelson and Nelly for many years with the Yankees, you played with a guy that was also known for a great pickoff move, another left-hander in Andy Pettitte, and for years it seemed like Pettitte kind of towed the line between legality and illegality, and it seems like Urias is kind of doing the same thing.
He is, and lefties can stretch the rules a little bit as far as what's legal and not legal to throw over to first base. And we saw in the bottom of the fifth inning that Harper got picked off with a great move. Urias has got a great move. But we saw the highlights of when that lift leg and that foot, anytime the foot breaks the plane of the rubber or goes behind the rubber, you have to throw home. We saw in the highlight it did break the plane. The umpire didn't call it. He wound up throwing over to first base and picking off Harper. So somebody's teaching this guy well. He's got a great move. It just so happened that it worked in the bottom of the fifth. Andy Pettitte has gotten some balk calls on him, but he had a great move. I'm sure Urias will get the same thing, but right now it's working.
And to build on that point, Urias, he's very young, very unproven. Pettitte, on the other hand, he was a proven veteran, a multiple-time World Series champion. So are you surprised that Urias, given how unproven he is being given this leeway by the umpires?
Well, a little bit, because I think some of the umpires, there's only two things actually you look for when a left-hander throws over to first. It's when that right foot breaks the plane of the rubber, you have to go home. So as an umpire, and you're a first base umpire, you have to look for that. And also your stride leg. Once you can't overstretch like you're going home and then coming over to first. You have to at least make an effort that that stride foot goes over and makes a little bit of a certain kind of a degree to go over to first. So, somebody in the Dodger minor league system is teaching this guy really well as far as a pickoff move, because obviously you see in the bottom of the fifth, it really helps you out if you're a left-hander and you have a great move because it gets you out of some jams.